Hey, it's Rex, and welcome back to another video. This video, I'll be showing you a simple, yet efficient trick, to boost up any game's FPS on any PC. With this trick you'll surely get around 20% of FPS boost, on all games. So let's get started. First things first. Start your PC, and head on to a browser. Type out razer.com/cortex. Hit enter. And there you go. The Game Booster's website. Simply click on Download Now. Drag the setup to your desktop. And double-click on it. Keep this option checked, and hit Install. Keep this one checked, and press on Get Started. You can log in if you have an account, or sign up if you don't have one, or you can even use your Google, Facebook, Twitch account to log in. In my case, I will continue as guest. Razer Cortex will automatically load up all the games installed on your PC, but now, jump onto the System Booster. Press on Scan. You can defrag your games by just selecting them in here. Hit Optimize. Now head back to Game Booster. In any chance if you can find your game in here, press on the plus sign and find your game in here. And then add it. Now you can easily launch any game from here. When you launch a game with this booster, the booster will automatically turn off all the application in the background and free up as much RAM as your system can. Also, it will dedicate your PC's full power to run the game as smooth as possible. So hey, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you a lot. Comment down if you have any question or suggestion for me. Also, if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free, and you can always change your mind. So that's it guys, I will see you in another video. Till then.